Welcome back to Alternative Class. In this video, we'll talk about how to use can and can't. Use can and can't to talk about ability to do something. Examples: she can dance very well. He can't fix the computer. Use can and can't to talk about ability to do something at a specific time. Examples: she can finish the work by Friday. He can't go home early. Use can to ask for permission to do something. Examples: can I borrow your bike? Can they go camping next week? Use can to give permission. Examples: you can borrow my bike. They can go camping next week. Use can to say that someone has permission to do something. Examples: I can borrow his bike when I need it. We can go home now. Use can't to refuse permission. Examples: you can't bring your phone inside. He can't go camping with you. Use can you as a way of asking someone to do something. Examples: can you place this book on my table? Can you help your sister with her homework? Use can I or I can to make an offer to do something. Examples: can I help you? Can I buy you something to eat? I can fix the computer for you. Use can to say something about what is possible. Examples: loud sounds can harm your hearing. Some areas can be flooded during heavy rain. Use can't or cannot to say something about what is not possible. Examples: he cannot fix his car without using any tool. That old computer cannot run new online games.